Let's bring in Solomon Amunde now, financial market analyst. Hello, Solomon. Great to have you.
Yeah, Laddie. Good afternoon, Laddie.
Yeah, so I don't know. I guess some investors might be disappointed with how Bitcoin has performed this year. It's supposed to be the digital gold, but we've seen what gold did this year. Why is Bitcoin lagging?
Well, for obvious reasons, we know BTC is far more volatile than gold when you look at historically how Bitcoin has been performing. And we also know that gold is a bigger market. Yeah, the bigger the market, the more stable it is. So Bitcoin is still in its early phase. I strongly believe that over time, Bitcoin will perform much, much better. And we are hoping that next year we'll see a new all-time high. And whereas for gold, the last about a year and 6 months has been very, very amazing for gold. So we'll see how it plays out while the market cap of Bitcoin continues to increase.
Right. So, in your opinion, what have you seen so far this year in a market that has kind of impressed you? Which coins are out there that you think, have done better or outperformed Bitcoin or the general market so far?
I think DeFi has stood out. DeFi performed very, very well. And we are beginning to see like a huge rebrand too for most DeFi projects. Then I also think DEXs, you get DEX tokens, Hyperliquid, Asta, Aventis, and a whole lot. They also performed really, really well. Also layer one blockchain, Solana, Binance Smart Chain, Ethereum, they've actually performed really well. So, truthfully, 2026 is going to be like a very, very huge year for the crypto ecosystem because we'll see lots of institutional investors. We'll see like government frameworks that would shape how this market would be presented to all investors and will bring some form of stability. Also, I'm eager to see tokenized stocks being traded on crypto platforms on the blockchain, basically, which would also be very interesting. Imagine the stock market being traded 24/7, just like Bitcoin. So lots of value would be captured on the blockchain come 2026, and it's something to be looked out for, basically.
Right. But would you generally, say 2025 was a quiet year, for the crypto market? It was more of so much talk from presidency in the U.S. We did see, Bitcoin rally, up to President Trump's, getting into the White House. But it's been much quiet, since then, for this market. Are you seeing the same thing play out, in 2026?
So personally, I'm expecting the first quarter of 2026 to be filled with lots of pumps. January, February, probably March, I'm expecting some pumps. Most likely, we would see BTC go above 110K, maybe a new all-time high within the first 3 to 4 months. But afterwards, I'm expecting to see more of consolidation and distribution in the markets. And also, I have huge expectations for altcoins that have some solid utility. I'm expecting a whole lot from them come next year, especially now that most companies are beginning to form like a basket of crypto tokens that they're holding in their portfolio. Yeah, so it's something exciting to see how this would actually play out in 2026. But it will bring lots of stability to the price of lots of crypto projects.
All right, so much to expect in 2026 for the crypto market. I guess regulation might still trickle in to 2026. Thank you so much, Solomon Monday, for breaking it down for us. Thank you.
All right, Daddy. Thank you.